So there was an oversight on my part when it comes to working with the shapes. So there are two modes. There's a design mode and a draw mode. When I did the first demonstration with the shapes, we were in the design mode. And you have these 4 shapes, and then you have a custom. And if you click on shape here, this will give you a variety of different kinds of shapes. Right? But I had noticed that there were some students that went to this draw mode, and you can see that this layout is a little different, and you have to treat it differently. If you go to the design, which is what I demonstrated with, it's going to give you a layer automatically, a new layer, which is what you want. When you're in this draw mode, it's not going to give you that new layer automatically. You have to just make a blank layer. Okay? And you might want to use some of these shapes instead, especially the heart and the star, which don't appear in the design mode. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here and we're going to make a new empty layer. And this is where this drawing is going to be applied. And let's say you want to do this star. Click on the star. Now notice you have an outline and a fill. I'm going to move the outline to 0. I don't need an outline. I literally just want the shape. And I'm going to check the fill, but I want to make sure that it's going to be filled proper, and I think it's going to fill with the background color. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to use this pink for both. Alright, so you can see I have 2 pinks. I'm going to make the shape, and you can just see that when you drag it, it gets bigger and smaller. So don't worry about the size right now. It's on its own layer, and it appears, where is it? There it is. And I'm going to use the Arrange tool, and this will allow me to change the size. Sorry about that. So the Arrange tool will let me change the size. It'll let me rotate it, so I'm just going to place it where I want it to be. Now right now it's behind that shape, so I'm just going to move this layer up. Just drag it, and I'm going to put it at the tippy top so it's in front of everything. And I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to make sure it's the size that I want. And it works the same way as before if I want to duplicate it, because I want to make a couple of stars. Do that. It works really well when you have them very close together. You have a lot of space going on. I'm going to do quite a few. Alright, just like before. Okay. Alright, I think I have more than enough. Okay, it's at this point that I'm going to combine all these layers together. So I start at the very, very top one, and you can go to Layer and merge down, or you can just go to Control-6, or if you're on the Mac, it's Command-6. And just keep joining them together. So now they're one shape. I'm going to select using the wand select. I'm going to add to the selection so I can select all of them. I'm going to make it invisible. I don't need them anymore. I can actually even delete them later. I just need to establish which layer I'm using. Right there, Command X, Command V, and same kind of process. And then I go ahead and I flip it, line them up in that negative space, and there we go. So I just wanted to present to you that the draw mode. Okay, like I said, we were on the design mode, and we're talking about the draw mode now. So again, if you're using the draw mode, you just want to make sure you're on a separate layer. You want to create a separate layer.